Restoring sending privileges on Etsy can be essential for maintaining your shop's communication and customer service. Follow these steps to regain your sending capabilities. Step 1. Review Etsy policies. Check Etsy's policies regarding communication and sending privileges. Understanding the rules will help you identify any violations that may have led to the restriction. Step 2. Identify the reason for restriction. Log into your Etsy account and navigate to your shop's dashboard. Look for any notifications or messages from Etsy that explain why your sending privileges were revoked. Step 3. Resolve any issues. If the restriction is due to a specific issue such as a policy violation or unresolved customer complaints, address these problems promptly. This may involve responding to customer inquiries or resolving disputes. Step 4. Contact Etsy support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They will review your case and inform you whether your sending privileges can be restored. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Etsy and continue to engage with your customers effectively.